What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the vlog. I'm Andre and he's
Connor. Nice to meet you, man.
AKA Comp M4, as many of you guys know his Instagram name. This is the man behind the wheel of this awesome M4. So tell us about your car. What is this car? What year is it? Here's what it looks like stock. And now Connor's going to tell us about his Comp M4 and all about this car. So
all right, so it's a 2018 M4 competition package, nothing else. Pretty normal to it. I had stock for about, I'd say 8 months, and then I did a resonator delete, then I finally got downpipes, and then I did a Weistech tune, and I'm pushing like 550 horsepower to the wheels. All the mods I've done right now are the front mount intakes, charge pipes, catless downpipe, catless mid pipe by WRX. So basically takes the two pipes, turns it into one 3.5 inch pipe, and spits it out to two again. I have the stock muffler on it, but I do shoot flames, so it's pretty sick. I've got Swift springs on all fours, some bigger rims, so it's a 19 by 10.5 in the back and 19 by 9.5 in the front. And then I'm running our Toyo R888Rs on all corners. Then I have an aero kit done by MFR, so I have the trunk mounted APR GTC 300 wing. Wow. Which is it's amazing. It does wonders on the track. And then I have the MFR diffuser, MFR side skirts, and then the MFR canards in front splitter. Let's go check those out. Yeah, man, they're sick.
I want to see your intake.
Oh yeah, so you can see them through the grills actually. They peek out. It's a
wow.
Yeah, it's a state ref waiting to happen. But
oh man, just tell them it's a radiator.
Exactly. my sponsor, Agency Power, hooked me up with the downpipes and the intake. Shout out to them and Vivid Racing. Man, yeah. It's
my first time going in this M4. I don't know what to expect. I'm not usually a big Beamer guy, but I just told him about 5 minutes ago, this is actually the BMW that I like the most. As many of you guys know, I like the E39 body, the old school M5.
That's money.
But this car is pretty awesome, and Connor's going to show me what this car is all about today. We're going to meet up with some friends right now, and we're going to go through the canyons out in Mexico City.
Yes,
so
sir.
We can't wait to do that.
Guadalajara.
So, Guadalajara, baby. Let's go. So we'll see you guys in a minute. So Connor and I just got to Mr. Thompson's house, and we are going to show off Thompson's beautiful STI. It is a 2005 Subaru STI. It's got the classic blue interior. Obviously it's a stick shift, and it is about 600 all-wheel horsepower.
Yeah, I think so. We gotta get it properly tuned and actually test it out for real.
So we picked this car up about a month and a half ago?
Yeah, like a month and a half ago.
Yeah, and it's in mint condition. We're gonna see a lot of this car here on his channel. He's also got a channel which will be in the description of this video, and check it out. You're gonna see a lot of great content with this, along with great content with other things that Mr. Thompson does in his very elaborate, impressive lifestyle. So you guys check him out, he'll tell you all about that. But anyway, we're gonna change the battery out on the Subi today. It does not work anymore, so we got a new high capacity battery for this thing because it needs it, and we will make this happen and go out for a drive. Sound good?
Yep, let's do it.
To me, let's do it.
Let's do it. All right, so we're gonna take the battery out. We've taken the bolts off, so that's how you change the battery, you guys. It's pretty simple. You guys have to loosen these two bolts here. So the black is the negative and the red is the positive terminal. So we're just gonna remove these two cables here. We are going to, yep, absolutely. You gotta wear gloves as I'm doing, and goggles as I'm also doing. Take the battery out, very simple, straightforward. Take these little protectors off, and the new one goes in. So every battery is made per car specific. So this battery would not fit in my car, and my battery would not fit in his car. So
I'm guessing on your Viper the battery's a lot bigger.
Yeah, actually, but it doesn't really matter the size of the battery, it's the capacity of the battery. So, you know, there are some batteries that are half this size but have a greater output. This particular car and this particular battery is the best one you can get for your car. So that's why we hook you up with the best stuff ever. And you tighten these two bolts on the terminals and you're good to go. The battery looks great. One of the qualifications to be able to race your car at a sanctioned racetrack like Bakersfield, LA Speedway, Fontana Raceway, you have to have a battery tie down. That's what this is called. If you don't, then you can't race, because this keeps your battery stable. As you guys can tell, it's a very effective mount, and although it's not stock, it definitely holds it in place as it should. So battery change is done. You guys heard the horn go off, so that means it's working, and we're about to go out for a drive. So buckle your seatbelts to make it happen.
Yes, sir.
All right, guys, so we got the Subi up and running. We just changed the battery, and it sounds really good. I can't wait to get this thing out there. We're gonna go for a drive in a bit. I get to drive this thing today, so I can't wait to hear that turbo spool up. It's got about 600 wheel horsepower, so we're gonna make sure we have a great old time with this thing. Look how pretty it is inside, and it's so factory on the inside. Look at that, clean. Make sure you guys shoot him a follow.
Great headphone user.
If you guys are on headphones, turn your volume up. G20, girl? Is that a G20? Is that a 1998 G20? You know what a G20 is, right? The Infinity G20. Put a picture right here. Do you know what that is?
No.
When you get home, Google G20.
Like an Infinity.
Yeah. You're gonna change your Instagram handle. Yeah.
Please don't put this in the video.
That's gonna go in the video. But your car looks great. Your car looks really nice. I like it.
Thank you.
You're gonna mob with those things?
99 to 65.
Alright, so we are in a awesome 2018 competition package, red M3. It's a 6-cylinder twin turbo, and it makes about 530 to the wheel. 30 wheel horsepower. So this thing is all decked out. Check out the roll cage. It's fucking awesome. I've never been in a car like this before as far as BMW goes, and this thing is done right, ladies and gentlemen. My God, we're hitting the road. The exhaust is loud, so we're gonna get some footage while we're driving, of course. All right, so the sun's in my eyes, so I'm gonna make sure I take my
Sorry, bro, I got sunglasses in here.
Oh no, we can't. No, where are the shades, man? I guess I'll just kind of hide underneath this roll cage.
I cannot see. I'm legally blind.
That'll work.
Do you know about these steering wheels?
No, tell me more about the steering wheel.
So it has a rev limiter, G-force sensor.
That's not stock, is it?
Yeah.
Oh, no shit.
Yeah, it comes with the factory.
Wow, awesome.
When you see all the Lambos and all the other cars on Instagram,
Yeah.
it's based off of this module.
No way.
Yeah.
So that's got your RPM up top, right?
Yeah. And I can set it to whatever RPM I want the lights at to give me the right shift.
Wow.
So what I actually really want to do is get it dynoed and figure out exactly what RPM it drops off.
So many options for shit bars here. This is great. I love it. The Subaru Forester's mobbing. Yes. Put that all-wheel drive to use, baby. Let's go. Nice correction. So for all of you people that thought in your minds that this wing on this Comp M4 was a bad idea, let me tell you why it was a good idea. This is why it's a good idea.
Because race car? No.
It is.
Because food / race car.
There you go. Look at this. He couldn't get more comfortable. He's nicely seated.
Chilling. I'm like,
He's even got a recliner if he wants to lay down. He can get a tan like this too. Isn't that something? We need to hit up MFR and tell them that if they ever want to advertise for a dinner table, this is ideal. You have your sponsor right here.
Yeah, dude. Dinner tables by MFR.
O'Connor, thanks for coming out today.
Boy, if you don't.
Enough said. Thanks for coming out, bro. I had a great time. Looking forward to taking the Subi out.
Yeah,
and next time we're gonna mob that thing. We had a little bit of an issue today after we put the battery on. The tune actually reset back to the stock ECU tune, so that's why the car wasn't running. It turned on, it ran, but it would die out when it was idling. So we're gonna get that fixed and get back on the road. These guys are wolfing on pizza. We'll see you guys soon.